Guys, you won't believe what I just found. You can literally dim all your open tabs with one click, and it's insane. Now, with the default settings, it will only dim the currently open tab, as you can see here on the Google search website. But Google News and YouTube are not dimmed. Let me show you how to fix that in 30 seconds or less. First, right-click the gray lamp icon in your browser toolbar. Then select the menu item options. In the sidebar, click on Advanced Options. Next, scroll down until you see the section titled All Open Tabs and enable that checkbox. Now, go back to the Google tab and click the gray lamp button. Boom. All your open tabs are dimmed. See? Google News and YouTube are now dark too. Also, you can disable the fade-in effect in the Turn Off the Lights options page to see this change instantly. If this helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing hacks. You got this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.